Melodies of Heaven, serenading all the brethren of Philippine Life Word Mission Church, Manila Central Church, Cantata. Good evening, dear pastors, evangelists, and brethren. For this year's New Year retreat, Manila Central Church will present the cantata with the purpose of serenading all our churches in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Let's start with our song number 1, entitled Awesome God. This song is dedicated to our brethren in Mindanao region. This region is composed of churches found in South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Davao del Sur, and Misamis Oriental. Salamat kaayo sa imong sakripisyo sa pagsangyaw sa Ebanghelyo. A round of applause please to our Manila Central Church Choir.